Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for September the 7th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, the FDA accepted for priority review a filing seeking expanded approval of Merck Co's Keytruda to include the first-line treatment of patients with advanced non-small cell lung cancer whose tumours express PD-L1. The application has a target action date of December 24th, while the agency also granted the anti-PD-1 compound breakthrough therapy designation for this indication. Also in the news, the New York Attorney General opened an antitrust probe over suggestions that Mylan inserted potentially anti-competitive terms into its EpiPen sales contracts with the local school system. A company spokesperson said its EpiPen for Schools program continues to adhere to all applicable laws and regulations, adding that there are no purchase requirements for participation. In other news, the European Court of Justice is set to rule on whether Lundbeck violated antitrust rules by paying other companies to delay the launch of generic versions of citalopram. The European Commission concluded in 2013 that the agreements were anti-competitive, although the drug makers appealed the ruling. And finally, Agios Pharmaceuticals partner Celgene expects to seek FDA approval of AG-221 in acute myeloid leukemia by the end of the year. The filing for the oral IDH2 inhibitor will be based on phase 1-2 data and comes ahead of investor expectations. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.